Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another video. Recently I have made two videos, one about 15,000 PC and the other one was a 25,000 gaming budget PC. And I've got lots of comment to make some more videos about PC build, hence I've got another video about AMD build. Yes, today I'm gonna build AMD gaming PC and that too would be a budget PC. And one of my subscriber has requested me to build this PC and hence I'm building this PC for him. The name of my subscriber who has requested me to build this PC, his name is R. Gautam and he is from Tamil Nadu. So I'll be making this PC for him. Let's go ahead and take you through the components, what we're gonna use, and I'll let you know the price, which is the retail price, and it's offline prices, not Amazon prices. I'll share the link in the description below. You can check out the live price of Amazon, and the prices which I'm gonna share in this video will be a retail market price, like offline prices. So this is the cabinet which we have got here. The brand is BBC 8801, and the next thing which we have got here is this motherboard B350M Pro VDH, and this motherboard is available for approx 6,700. 6,700 is what I'm charging him for this motherboard. You can check out the live price in the link given in the description below for the live price of Amazon. And the next thing which we have got here is GeForce GTX 1050. This is MSI dual fan overclocking graphic card and available for 9,000 at my store. You can check the link for the live price of Amazon. So 9,000 is what I'm charging Gautam for this graphic card 1050 GTX 2GB. The next thing which we have here is a HyperX RAM DDR4 2400 MHz, and for this RAM I have charged him 6,800 for this 8GB RAM. So that's the RAM here. The next thing which we have got here is SSD. SSD is very important if you really want to do gaming and if you want the boot to be fast. 120GB SSD, as it's a budget PC, so I am not really installing 512GB or 256GB, 250GB SSD. 120GB SSD available for 3,400 easily on market. You can go ahead and buy WD SSD 120GB, 3,400 rupees. 3050 for WD Blue 1TB. It's 7200 RPM hard drive, works quite well. And the power supply, oh, it's huge in size. Okay, my subscriber has requested me to put the 450 Corsair power supply. However, I have decided to upgrade it free of cost and I'm making it 550 SMPS because I felt the requirement for this PC is 400 watt approx. So the 450 power supply was at 100% utilization, so I thought let's upgrade it free of cost. So it's a small gift for you, Gautam. So I've upgraded this to 550, and that's about the power supply. And what processor I'm gonna use in this, as you already know, AMD budget PC, and that would be gaming. So this is the AMD Ryzen 3 1200, and the price for this which I'm charging here is 6,500 for this Ryzen 3 1200, and for the SMPS I have charged him 2,300 for the 450, the VS 450 version. However, this is available for approx 3,200. So yeah, that's about the component which we're gonna use. Also a DVD has been included, the optical drive, 850 for the optical drive. If you want to opt it, you can go for it. If you don't want, just leave it. So that's about the component. Let's start building our PC. The approx cost for this PC is 33,000, which is fair deal, I would say, for a gaming PC with 1052GB overclocking graphic card, a beautiful cabinet, 7200 RPM hard drive, along with 120GB of SSD, and a good Corsair power supply, and a decent motherboard. So let's start making our PC and let's go ahead assembling all the parts together. So we are almost done with the assembling. The only problem which I face, the cabinet. I don't recommend this cabinet to anyone. First reason that you cannot put a DVD, because once you install the motherboard goes up to this. This is quite small in size, and here is the DVD portion. So it's really literally touching the motherboard, which is not really safe for the motherboard. So hence I will not really recommend if someone is looking for a DVD also. Now the other thing which I faced a problem here with the SSD. The SSD port is usually from the outside where I was installed, as you have seen on the video. However, if in case you put the SSD outside, then the only problem here is you will not able to connect the, this is where I have earlier connected, and this is the place where you place your SSD, and this is the hard drive places. Usually on branded cabinets we get this kind of slot where we can literally put the SSD on this, the same as the hard drive we have kept. But this one has got like you have to screw all the SSD here, which I did earlier. Again, crosshair connectors are quite huge in size, so they are refusing to get inside. So what I have done now, I have installed the SSD from the inside. Now it is able to get the connector attached. So basically this cabinet is not advisable. I'll probably recommend someone to go with, at least if you are looking for a budget cabinet, then Cooler Master is a good option. 311 Elite 311 is an option. You can probably go for this one, and which is around 2800 rupees. So go for that if in case you don't want this kind of issues. So but again, the cabinet is not really bad in quality. The only problem I faced is the hole should be a bit bigger to put the connector, because again SMPS connectors are huge in size. So alright, the beast is ready, and it's quite good. So yeah, starting with few updates here. So if you're planning to build the same PC using the same motherboard, and just look for the BIOS, and if in case the BIOS is not updated, so please do that. I have updated the BIOS, so you will not get any compatibility issue and the blue screen problems. So I have already updated the BIOS, so in future my subscriber will not face any issue. And also the DVD part, the DVD has been removed just because I told you the casing is beautiful and I was attracted. Even the PC owner, my subscriber, was really attracted towards the look of this PC, and we decided to go with this cabinet. But the drawback was the cabinet is really small in size from inside. So after putting the motherboard, and the motherboard is not that huge, it's M80X motherboard, so that's not huge in size. Still we were not able to put the DVD, hence we have decided to leave the DVD, as DVD is not that important. Coming about the performance of the RAM is great, as I've already I've shared a link in the description below. You can just click and check the benchmark. So the RAM is working perfectly well. The 1050, the graphic card is doing its job quite well, and yes, the AMD Ryzen 3 is pretty much doing its work perfectly well. While doing the benchmark test, there was some application running on the background. So on the benchmark test, you may see there is written that CPU utilization in background is 16%. So you can go ahead and check the link in the description below to check the benchmark. Talking about the performance, it's working pretty well. I've installed Windows 10 here, and it's quite silent. It has only one fan, as you can see here. It is red color, and pretty much happy after assembling the system. However, the cabinet part has a bit disappointed me, because I was expecting the holes of this cabinet should be bigger, because some of the connectors were very hard to manage, and the SSD is right inside. Earlier I've kept the SSD on this panel, but again the space was less, hence I've moved inside. And yeah, so that was the video about this gaming PC, and with 1082 GB, 8 GB DDR4 Kingston's HyperX 24 MHz, and MSI Pro VDH motherboard, Ryzen 3 1200 processor, and a decent cabinet. So if you have any questions related to this computer or any other assemble which you're gonna do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help you, and don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos. And Gautam, congratulations for your new PC. I am sending this to Tamil Nadu, and hope he'll get it by this Thursday or Friday. So that's about the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. And yes, let me put some stickers over here. So I have got the HyperX logo, which I'm gonna put right now. And here we go. Should we put here? No, I think we should keep it here. The HyperX logo over here, here, here. Perfect. And the Ryzen logo right above the HyperX. Here, should I keep it here? I think this would be the perfect place. No, here it is. So it's done. It has got its badge, and that's about the video. Thank you for watching. Alright, so the system is ready to ship, and as you can see here, I have kept a bubble all over the places of the graphic card and other stuff. And let me just take you through the cable management. So there was nothing much like we should tie this, because this cable should be stick around together. So what I have here is, I have tied this cable here, and the second cable here, and the third cable just on the bottom. So pretty much every cable is set in this way, and that's about the video. So don't forget to hit the like button, and let me know if you have any questions about this PC. Thanks for watching.